I bought from Temu something to organize all of the shoes that I have down there. And I remembered that I had one of those from IKEA. So I'm gonna take one day and I'm gonna try to organize the section and just let it hang there and put all of my shoes into those small little bags. I really don't know where those bags are to show you how I want to do it, but I'm pretty sure it's somewhere around here. So the temperature tomorrow is supposed to be 22 degrees. So I was wondering if I will go with some jeans or with just some floaty, airy pants, which I think is gonna be my go. So if we think about it, I might go with and this section actually from the clothes is like the one that I wore, so I don't like to mix my worn clothes with the clean ones. I find it a little bit gross because contact with the outside and stuff like that, so I really don't know. I think I might just go with the basics since I really don't know how it's going to be. Should we just do some jeans and this black shirt, or should we just take something new? Oh, questions. I always have this thing. Normally I know it. Sometimes I do it right in the morning because I am just too exhausted on Sunday to think about it. But I think today is gonna be with 22 degrees. I think this is going to be a good idea. I bought it from New Look. And it is floaty, as you see on this side. It gets like stuck connected right underneath your armpit or so. And I think my go-to will be maybe some jeans. Let's do some jeans. Let's start the week a little bit. Or should we do this t-shirt? Oh my god, which one? I think we're gonna go just with the black ones. It's going to be only 22 degrees. I'm gonna do this one, and let's just some just normal jeans. I think I'm just gonna go with my mom jeans. I just like high-waisted. I feel secure. I feel just it's like normal. I like this color for the jeans. It's just like a normal mom jeans. I got it like I think 4 years ago from Pieces. I feel secure in them. And I think it's going to be also this t-shirt. I will put it right now. So yeah, I think this combo will be pretty good. Although tomorrow I don't have lab, meaning I don't have to be kind of like wearing pants or something like that. I know that the upcoming days I have to be in the lab. I think I just gonna stick up with it. I might put like some accessories. This is a must, so it's not gonna be so boring. And yeah, this is going to be my tomorrow outfit.